stand in wait the gold dawn. From northern reaches to southern tide, the history whispers, the spirits wide. The ledger opens, the tally tall, the echo answers the stadium call. Europa, the flame, the eternal fire, the passion ascends, the stakes are higher. One heart, one game, the legends rise beneath the vast electric skies. Victory calls, the iron gates swing. We hear the choir of the nation sing. In the quiet moments before the roar, we count the weight of the years before. Every win is a story.